Hello guys, in today's video I want to talk about Bitcoin current price, about stock to flow model, USDT potential price, and the next move of Bitcoin. And before I start, I want to thank you guys for watching me, more and more people joining my channel. So thank you guys for all your support. I really appreciate it. I did a video about Bitcoin price recently, talking about the current price and how it could go potentially, and it is performing pretty much as we discussed in the last video. The 20-week moving average is kind of broken. The next move is 300-week moving average, which is 16.5 K for one Bitcoin. We already saw 17.5K, and it is something that more people expect in my channel, and there is some still room to fall in overall opinion, but the general fear thinks it's now at extreme fear. People are still afraid, but historically it is the best buying opportunities those during those fear periods of time. And now you could see with current price of Bitcoin, if you look in this logarithmic rainbow chart for Bitcoin, it is in fire sale zone, and I think it's really good time to accumulate or to start accumulating. And what I want to comment here regarding the cycles of the Bitcoin, and some people YouTube channels I was able to check, they're saying that the rainbow is changing the direction and the chart is now growing that rapidly, as well as stock to flow model, and now during this bull market we didn't peak as previous time till this zone, but who said that it is the end of the cycle? And me personally, I think that it is same cycle is continuing, and we will see it maybe ending in 2027, as an assumption. So it is really long cycle, and it could be longer cycle. It's just my opinion. And something we see here, it is around those zone compared to previous cycle, and just the range of those moves and the amplitude is will be bigger in my opinion. So I also did the video about this, even back in February, end of the February, saying that we are continuing to be in the bull, the bear market, and it is something that we need to also take in consideration. And just those moves is because of the money printing, and it's still in those very low amounts of US dollar value for Bitcoin, in my opinion. So and when we are going close to a halving period, historically those periods are the end of the bear market, and after that we see the growth. And normally, even if we are looking at this rainbow, it is those blue and even green colors. So it is something we could see here, something between 50 70K maybe, as most, I mean, according to halving cycles. And different analysts saying that it's critical. Even Kevin Swenson did the post today, explaining the impact of halving for BTC price. So during the halving, Land BTC is issued to miners. It's reduced selling pressure from miners, and it's increased demand based on increase of scarcity. So it is something everyone agree, and it's something we saw historically. So, and in my opinion, during this period, it's still the same cycle till from started back in 2018. So, but I know that it's unpopular opinion, but we will see how it goes for future. And as like Katie Woods and other like Bitcoin maximalists saying that it could reach like 500K by 2025 or like 1 million at 2030. Me personally, like if we are looking like to bull market after the halving, you know, and even looking to the rainbow, it is going to be, I cannot like look after this period of time like middle 2025, but even it needs some time to accumulate. Even with these prices of $300, it's still like former period. It's not something really like maximum bubble of the peak. So I personally think that the peak of the next bull run, and it is still the same cycle, is going to be 500K. It seems like crazy in numbers, but if you just forget about like the US value and it is your money, it's something that really we could expect, as especially looking at the charts. And you know, some like people are also worrying that we are broke like these logarithmic growth curves. But me personally, I think that the amplitude, as I said, is will be like more, and the move is going to be like wider. That's why me personally, I don't really worry about this. But you know, even talking to stock to flow model, it also seems to be like kind of broken. Those charts are like relatively similar, and I was even like surprised that Vitalik Buterin commented on this also, like it was a couple of days ago. So he's saying that you don't need to give people the wrong expectation of this price growth. So he's a bit like happy that it's broken. So like those financial models give people a false sense of certainty, and it could be harmful, blah blah blah. Yeah, I was like surprised that he commented on this in this way, but we will see how it potentially go. And with current like prices, Bitcoin trading at 20K, more and more people are talking about is Bitcoin a debt or no. And it is a Google trend I pulled today. So it's crypto is dead, web search and Google trends, and you could see that it is on their all-time high for now. And it could be kind of bull metric for me. So, and if you look also historically at those peaks, it is end of the bear market. I don't say, yeah, and some like people commented that now it's going to be the bull trap to maximum 22 25 okay. Yeah, it's something could potentially happen. Even there is also the opinion that we could, it's not something I post already, but it's just an idea. I don't think that it could happen, but it is like the pattern of head and shoulders. And in this case, Bitcoin could go to 25, 22K. Yeah, it could go like that way, but me personally, I think it's going to be sideways, like in the range of like, let's say 18, 19K, 22K. But maybe we could see this price increase till 27K, but it's just in one of the scenario, but I think it's more sideways for now. And one more thing I wanted to comment it here. So it's about USDT crash. People expect and started to move their money from USDT because they expect something similar to UST collapse, Celsium's collapse, and three a capital could happen now with USDT. And I think that more and more even like YouTubers commented on this, saying that they're like taking the money of Tether. And I saw many different tweets about this and YouTube videos. So, and just also like Ken, I'm following him in YouTube and as well as in Twitter account. He's saying that the market cap of Tether doesn't look healthy, and he transferred his money to Binance Smart Coin. Yes, it dropped dramatically for the last period of time, and now it's about close to USDC, and yeah, it's quite far from Binance Smart Coin, but Binance yeah coin. So yeah, it's very good idea to diversify the risk. So because for me, I was like a big holder for UST, I mean, yeah, in general for my stable coin. So I think it's quite good to diversify them and split it like between USDT, like Binance Smart Coin and USDC, maybe DAI, but in general, it seems that people make this like fear and in USDT like more and more, and it could collapse only because of like us panicking ourselves. But yes, please make sure you have your like coins, even stable coins, safe as possible. And yeah, it's also very nice article came like last Friday from Arthur Heiss. I already like did the videos commenting on them. So yeah, I will put the link to this article. It's very nice, like quite long read, but you could listen it. So I hope you enjoy it. So it is all I wanted to share with you guys today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.